Good day, welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti. So for today we'll be talking about my fixed gear bike right here. So you might have noticed that starting for this video I will be speaking in English. The reason for that is for me to cater to more audience. Not everyone understands the Filipino language. So with that being said, let's start with the bike check. So let's start with the bike frame. The bike frame is actually a Celt DS frame, size 52, and it is actually repainted to Abenton with the black color and color white font. And I'm actually not sure if the frame is made here in the Philippines, but then from what I've known, Celt isn't actually a brand that is really famous in the other countries. Then next here, I have a Tsunami fork, and it is also repainted to black. And that's what I really like about the frame set. It really looks very simple, almost all black with a few accents of red. And then next, let's move on with the cockpit. Here I have a 40 centimeter wide BJ Fix track drop bar. A lot of fixed gear riders aren't really that comfortable using this kind of drop bar due to its very deep drop. But then what I really like about this drop bar is that I can really push myself in a aero position, and it really makes sprinting for me very easy. And with this drop bar, I have a foam bar tape. Its brand is Ragusa. It's actually one of the budget brands that we have here in the Philippines. For the stem, here I have a ITM stem. ITM stem with a negative 7-degree angle, 110 millimeter long. So it also helps me to control the bike in higher speeds. So next, for the headset, here I have a Saturn non-tapered headset, and here I have a Control Tech seat post in black color together with a Zeus saddle. It's a bit aero and it flexes easily, so it's very comfortable as well if you're going into long rides. So for the drivetrain, here I actually have a Celt crank partnered with a 48 tooth chainring and 17 tooth cog on the back. For the pedals, I have a Ragusa seal bearing alloy pedals partnered with a Sat8 pedal straps. For the wheel set, here I have a Arrow brand wheel set, and it's actually one of the budget brand rim sets that you can buy here in the Philippines. So with that, I also have a Kenda tire size 700 by 23C paired with a Continental inner tubes. So currently that's all for the parts of the bike. And if you may ask, why do I ride a fixed gear? I actually make it a form of training to make my legs stronger, and you can really feel your connection through the bike. It might not be as fast as a road bike on a sprint, but then fixed gear is really versatile, and it can also take you to a lot of places wherever you want. There are actually several fixed gear groups or communities here in Manila in the Philippines, and I haven't been with any of those communities or groups, but then The FIxedGear community here in the Philippines is actually growing. A lot of people are actually buying FIxedGear bikes because it is not that expensive compared on buying a mountain bike or perhaps a road bike. And also riding a FIxedGear, it also comes with pros and cons. Of course, my FIxedGear bike only weighs around 7 kilograms, so it's not that heavy compared to a road or a mountain bike. But then the cons, I actually have my FIxedGear brakeless, so you really need to focus on the road, wear your helmet, your clothing. So for this kind of setup, it is necessary to check if your pedal straps are still strong, if your tires can still roll pretty quick, because if you're skidding a lot, your tires might torn apart. If you have some questions regarding the bike, please let me know and comment down below. I'll try to shoot some ride vids together with my FIxedGear, but unlike on a road bike, it's really hard to shoot with your phone, with your action camera while pedaling all the time. So I will still try to do it, but then for now, that's all. See you on my next video. Ride safe always. Peace. Take care.